What's going on, Garrett here, back with another video. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through an incredibly simple method you can use to start to make $250 or more per day. Now, this is incredibly newbie friendly and you don't need any tech skills. So the first step is we need to find a product that's selling well that we can go out there and promote to make money. Now, one place you can go is Clickbank. I have it open on the screen. It's actually free to sign up. You just create an account. And then once you're in your back office, you want to go to the top under the tab Marketplace. Now, they have a lot of different categories, but for this specific method, it's going to work in the e-business, e-marketing. Okay, so we want to open up that category. And basically, we want to sort results by gravity. Now, if you don't know, gravity is basically a score on how many other affiliate marketers on average are making sales. And you always want to promote a product that has at least 30, okay, a gravity score of 30. You can see this top one has 254 gravity, okay, which is incredibly good. So once we find a product that we want to promote, we also want to look though at the average dollar per conversion, because this one right here, it has a really good gravity score of 123, but you only make $16 on average per sale based on all the upsells and downsells. So you're going to need a lot of sales to hit $250 or more per day. So I typically look at what has the most gravity, but also the most dollar per conversion. Now this one on average has 347. It's the perpetual income 365. I've actually promoted this myself and made some commissions. Okay, so we're going to use this product in this specific tutorial. So the first thing is we want to get our affiliate link. You just click promote. You can choose any one of these. I usually do the default. And then we want to hit generate hop links. Okay, and then we want to save this link right here at the bottom. Okay, let me go ahead and move it up. This one right here. Okay, if you can see down there. Okay, hopefully you can see that, right? That link right there, that's our affiliate link. So let me go ahead and put it in a notepad to keep it handy. And then the next step is a lot of these products have affiliate pages. Okay, so these are the JV pages. What this basically means is this will give you different email swipes, different ads that you can actually use to promote and make money with this product. So we want to go down and we want to look for specifically email swipes for this method. Now we want to scroll down, okay, and sometimes you have to actually, like right here, okay, typically sometimes you have to opt in. Let me just make sure, because this is the process you're going to go through. I want to share with you the actual what you would actually have to do. Okay, so yes, it looks like we do have to opt in. If you've already signed up, then you would just click here. So I've already signed up for this product. And then basically we just want to go through and we want to look for email swipes. Okay, so these are high converting email swipes that we can literally just copy and paste using this method. Okay, so the next step is we want to go over to a website called myleadgensecret.com. Okay, now this is the tool we're going to actually use, and there's going to be a link directly below this video. And what you can do is you can actually sign up for this tool. Okay, now this tool, what it breaks down to is about $30 a month. It's about $1 a day to use. And the beautiful thing is with just about $1 a day, every single day, okay, if I go to my back office, I'm actually a member. Every single day, you're going to get 100 leads when you first start. Okay, now I'm getting 200 leads a day automatically added to my account because I've been a member for a while. But when you first start, you're going to generate 100 leads into your account. Now, these leads are very high quality. They're from top tier countries where people typically have money to invest and buy products. And these leads are specifically interested in making money online and starting an online business. So what you want to do is you want to actually realize that most people struggle to make money online because they're not generating daily leads. Most people are struggling to even generate 5 leads. With this, you get 100 leads a day. So how do we actually use this, right? Well, like I said, when you go down below, you click here, you put your email address in, and then you're going to find out how you can actually sign up, right? Now, once you sign up, what you're going to be able to do is go to the mailing system, okay? Now, what this allows you to do is email all of your leads, okay, directly into your back office, directly from your back office, okay? So I'm going to walk you through this process right now so we can start to promote that Clickbank product and start to make commissions daily. So the first thing you want to do is you want to do mail by date, and then you want to select all, okay? So right here, you can see that I have 21,100 leads or people that I can send an email to. Now, every single day it's going to add up, and I've had this for some months now. That's why I have over 21,000. So you're going to be able to, the sooner you join, the more leads you're going to be able to have. So then I typically send from my name, okay? Or if you don't want to do your name, you could literally just send from my lead gen secret. And then what we want to do for the subject is we want to go back to this page here, and we want to choose one of the subject lines. Okay, so this one looks pretty good. Then we just want to go back here. We want to paste that in. Okay, then we want to go down to the body of the email, erase that. We want to go back to here, and we just want to actually copy this email. And we want to go back here and we want to paste it. Okay, now if it ever says, dear and then first name, what you want to do is you want to go back up here, and they have a code for the person's first name. So we would just take this code right here, okay, copy that very, make sure you get that correctly, and then we want to replace that here. Okay, so that's going to replace it with the person's first name. So then we want to make sure, okay, everything looks good. Now where it says link, okay, that's where we want to put our link. So we want to highlight that text, go up here to the paperclip, okay, and then we want to go back to the notepad where we saved our affiliate link. We want to copy that, and then we want to put it in right there, and then okay. And then where it says XXX, we can put in our name or my lead gen secret. I'll put in my name, Best Garrett. And then it says link again, so we just basically highlight that again wherever it says link. Do the paperclip, same thing, okay. And then we always want to select perfect timing. That's going to send the email to that person when it's most likely they're going to open, okay, based on their past history. Now it says 16 hours before your next mailing. With my lead gen secret, you get one email that you can send all of your leads per day, okay? So every 24 hours, it's going to reset. So I sent one this morning. You can see I actually, excuse me, I actually practice what I preach. And then so tomorrow morning, I'm going to go in and I'm going to send another email. And that's it, okay? So it's incredibly simple. I don't want to make this video any longer than it has to be. What you can do is you can literally just every day go in. Then tomorrow you get another subject line. Okay, copy the body. Now, once you go through, okay, so they have 7 swipes, you can literally just go to the next product, okay, and you can just go all the way down the line. They have multiple pages. Now, Clickbank isn't my #1 products. It's not my #1 place to find products to promote. When you go to my10ksystem.com, you'll actually see a free overview video of my #1 recommended affiliate program to promote to make money even while you're sleeping. I'll go ahead and include that link. But this is it, my friends. So I hope you enjoyed learning how to make $250 or more per day. You can scale this really quickly. I do this myself. If you like this video, though, you want me to make more videos like this, be sure to click the like button. Also, subscribe with the bell icon. I'm going to be doing weekly videos just like this. And again, check out the links below so you can get access to this incredibly affordable traffic source, as well as my #1 product and program to promote. Thanks so much for watching, my friend, and I will see you on my next video.